Hey guys, Randy with Horizon Trailers here. Behind me is the EHZ equipment trailer. This trailer is perfect for hauling construction equipment, vehicles, or ATVs. This trailer comes in either bumper pull or gooseneck and length options of 18 all the way up to 26 feet. The axles on this trailer are either the 7 or 8K Lippert electric brake spring axles. The rear of the trailer features either slide-in, mountain, or stand-up ramps for easy loading. Follow me as we go through the features it has to offer. The trailer we will be reviewing today is the bumper pull 20-foot length with 7K axles and stand-up ramps. It features a spring-loaded drop leg jack rated at 12,000 pounds. It features a 2.5/16 Demco easy latch adjustable coupler rated at 21,000 pounds. 3 8-inch grade 70 safety chains and a breakaway kit. In between the tongue, it features a mega toolbox where you can store equipment and tools. On this side, it features a spare tire mount and a optional spare tire. And that's not all this trailer has to offer. The tongue and main frame are made of 8-inch I-beam weighing in at 13 pounds per foot, with 3-inch channel cross members spaced at 16 inches apart. And another nice little detail we added is the backlit laser cut Horizon emblem. At the front of the deck, it features the rock guard with hammer tone paint. And for securing cargo, it features the Steg ID pockets with rub rail and 2 D-rings welded inside the fenders. The fenders are the 14 gauge diamond plate steel fenders with the hammer tone paint option. The trailer comes standard with 10-ply tires on 16-inch black mod wheels. This one here has the nice aluminum wheels. At the rear of the deck, it features either a straight deck with slide-in ramps or a 2-foot dovetail with either mountain or stand-up ramps. We're going to be looking at the stand-up ramps on this one. These ramps are spring-loaded, so they are easily lowered and lifted. Also, you can adjust them depending on what type of equipment you'll be loading. It features a 25-inch deck height and a 83-inch deck width, with the upgrade option to the 102-inch drive-over fenders deck width. All lights are DOT-approved Technique LED lights. We added spotlights on the back and also on the side for extra visibility. And like all of our other trailers, this trailer goes through a 6-step painting process, making sure that the paint is top quality and durable, with 10 color options to choose from. For more information, please check our website at horizontrailers.com. Until next time.